This video is about link selected, which basically it does the same as you might do with Control L. There's link object data. So you might have, for example, let's create a quick let's create a quick monkey head there. Hello, Suzanne. So what we can do is just select this and then go to the, start with this object, then go and make that one the active one. Control L, link object data, turns this one, links it to the Suzanne head. And we can do that like this as well. Link object data. So that just works, and this will work the same way. So we can say link selected. There you go. The only difference with our version of link selected, and I think what makes it really special, is we can also take a different type of object and turn that into the Suzanne mesh head as well. So this is originally a curve and we're turning it into a mesh. We can do it the other way around too. So like we can take, start with this one, then take the curve, link selected, and now this is also, it has become a curve object. So like we can create, and we can do that with any of these. So like these can become a surface object. It didn't take the modifiers, but of course a quick modifier sync will take care of that. Then we can say link selected, and now all of these are text objects. And then it works with grease pencil. It works with that, what was it? Point cloud. It even works with bone systems or armatures. I think the only thing, again, it won't work with is those empties and force objects. Take all these things and turn them into lights, or we can turn lights into monkeys. Like, yeah, it's that way a powerful system to change an object into another object, link the object data and directly change the object type. And yeah, I don't know, you never know when that might come in handy. Perhaps you'll find a way for it to help you in your workflow yourself. I certainly hope so. All right, thanks for watching.